Hello guys, in this video we will be looking into how we can do TIFlow simulations using 3ds Max geometry. So to do this, we will first make a object. So let's change that to standard and create a box. And let's make it around that big. Now you can change the segments to how much you want. I'll keep it around this much for this example. And now let's open up TIFlow. Open the editor and the modifier palette. And now we will start on with wind simulation. So click on both and drag it onto the workspace. Now press tab and write position icon. And now we have to go into our create tab and helpers, and then we have to create our icon. So this is going down at the moment. We can fix that later once our simulation material is all there. So now just to make sure it is working, let's just check. Oh, let's pick up icon as well. Yep. And as you can see, we can see that the particles are coming up. Now let's just rotate this. To match where the building is located. And we'll bring it up a little bit and maybe a bit out as well. Alright, so this is how it is looking like at the moment. So what we'll do is we will create, just go under position icon and press tab, and now we will create force. Amazing. And just in the building wind form, we'll have to change this to, let's try 0.1. Then we'll do 1. Let's do 0.1 again and make this 0.3. So as you can see, this is going towards the building, but as you can also tell, it's going through the building rather than going up or down the object. Alright, so we have to do collision for that one. So click on force, tab, and write collision. Oh, just make sure it is at the bottom. Yep, so you just have to pick which object it's colliding with. And for our example, it will be this object right here. So we pick and click on our object. And now if we can see some of our particles, not the ones that are touching our building, they are not going through it. They're going either up or working their way sideways. Alright, so now let's add spline parts. Just make sure these are all at the bottom. And now we have to pick our object. But first we have to create the spline. Go TIFlow, and under TIFlow there will be tie splines. And click and come into this workspace again, pick object, and you pick this item. So if we look at a simulation now, we can see that we've got our wind working in a spline lines, and it's much easier to read where each wind is going and what's happening with the collision between the building and the wind. Alright, so this is just how you do a wind simulation. Some things you can do as well, so you can create some holes within this building, just so we can see if some of the wind actually does go through the building from those holes. So what we'll do is we'll go edit poly, we'll pick polygons, and let's do some random ones. So we'll do two of those, and shift and that, so there shouldn't be a hole. Yep. We'll do these ones, shift, shift and hold. Let's do this one and this one as well, shift and hold. Alright, so we've got a few holes in there, and let's see what happens now that our building has holes. Alright, let's have a look. So as you can see, some of them block off, but they also are able to go through those spaces. Similarly here, they are colliding in the middle of the building as well, but they're able to bounce back and go out of the building. And this is how you do some wind simulation on 3ds Max using Tyflow. You're also able to move, you're also able to move the Tyflow. Let's put this back to 0. You're able to rotate this to your likings as well. If you think your direction is not fully correct, you can bring it down, bring it up. Or if you've got, for example, some sort of fan that you'd like to analyze, you're able to simulate it through those as well. But this is just how you do the simulation. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.